Thanks so much for watching this Valentine's Day Clean and Decorate with Me video. Make sure you click the thumbs up if it gives you cleaning motivation and if you like the decorations.
Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're cleaning and decorating for Valentine's Day and I've got my besties with me. They're going to be doing the same exact thing over on their channel, so make sure you go check out their videos after this one and stay tuned because there's going to be some bloopers at the end too.
These are always my favorite videos to make because I love decorating and changing up the decor around my house for my family to enjoy. And I feel like this was one of my favorite things during childhood when my mom would decorate our home or when teachers would have decorations at school. It just always made it so fun. So that's why I love decorating. And if you love cleaning, decorating, routines, and day in the life vlogs, I hope that you subscribe to my channel if you're new here and follow our family on my Instagram too. And let me know which decor or which room is your favorite in the comments below as you watch. In the foyer, I used the Method Mint glass cleaner to clean the mirror, the Method Wood for Good cleaner in almond to dust the foyer table, and I used a Mr. Clean magic eraser to get rid of a few of the scratches that were on the table. I love using pops of red in here with the white table with some of those traditional roses, the love sign, and this is one of my favorite pictures of Landon ever. It was on his first Valentine's Day. Then in the kids' room, I'm cleaning off the craft table. We got this one from Pottery Barn and they love it. They do crafts here, eat snacks, they play in here all of the time. And when I'm in the kitchen, it's so nice to just set them up in here. But I'm using the Method Antibacterial in Wildflower, which smells amazing. Even my husband loves it. And then I'm using the magic eraser on a couple of the marks that were on the table. And then the same Method Almond Wood Cleaner to dust the buffet and the piano that are in this room. And pretty much all of the decor on the table and the buffet is from the Target dollar spot over the last few years. But I did get a new banner from Target this year. I thought it was so cute. And I'm sprinkling some red rose petals that are from the Dollar Tree on the table. And the decorations on the piano, there's an Ohio sign, we live in Cleveland, a Dollar Tree puzzle that Landon crafted last year. It says, love you to pieces. And those are Ho Hey lyrics because I walked down the aisle to an acoustic version at our wedding. In the kitchen, I had to clean up a bit from lunch. I filmed this while the kiddos were napping, but I used that same antibacterial spray in wildflower on the table and on the countertops. And today's quote of the day is from one of my favorite women. I find her to be so inspiring, Maya Angelou. You alone are enough. You have nothing to prove to anybody. And I hope that you know that. You don't have to change anything about yourself. Be you. Do what makes you happy. And I always hope that my videos leave you feeling happy or inspired because, like I said earlier, decorating is one of my favorite things I love to do, and I love to share that with others. So if you like this video or my channel, it does mean the world when you share it on your socials too. And tag me in any of your decor. I always get really inspired by you and would love to share what you're doing. But I decided to keep it fresh and simple in here and got some different colored flowers from the grocery store to just make it really romantic and pretty, and hanging a heart-shaped wreath that I got from the craft store on the pantry. And I got these dish towels at Kohl's last year. They say what's cooking good looking. I was looking for stuff for my 3-tiered stand and I just didn't see anything that knocked my socks off. So I'm gonna keep looking, possibly just wait till next year, but let me know if you have any good ideas for a Valentine's Day 3-tiered stand, or if you have any Pinterest links, leave those down below. But I always use the Method Mint glass cleaner for my stainless steel appliances. So in our family room, I love changing out the pillows and throw blankets for this season, and this is my favorite accent color. I love blush and mauves, and I cannot get enough of these pillows. Let me know if you want to see a video where I either show a neutral house tour, so like no decor, you can just see the base of how everything looks, or if you'd rather see how I change out all of the seasons of decor on the couch, the mantle, the foyer tables, in our other rooms. Let me know what you'd rather see, like completely blank slate, or if you'd like to see a compilation of all of the different decor. On the mantle, again, I love these blush candles. I love that color. And the small frames are new. I found them in the Target dollar spot this year, and I got the garland from Target last year. and I'm so excited because I got a new toy. I got a Dyson, and the one I got is an Animal V10 model, and so far I am obsessed with it. It is so much more fun to vacuum without a cord in the way. Seriously, I'm obsessed. I do not know why I waited so long to get this thing. But don't forget, let me know in the comments as I clean the floors if you have a favorite spot or favorite piece of decor in the house. And because I always get asked, here are the 3 cleaning products that I used for this video: the Method Antibacterial and Wildflower, the Wood Cleaner in Almond, and the Glass Cleaner in Mint. These are my ride or die cleaning products. I love them. And speaking of ride or die, don't forget to check out Tiffany. Her channel is Beauty and the Beastins, and Micah Stauffer, because I love them. They're my best friends. They're all about inspiring and uplifting other women, and they make me laugh so hard. Wait for the bloopers. But I know you'll love getting to see their Valentine's Day decorations and their cleaning motivation videos too.
Venti Grande Tall!
First video.
We really should have that be our little logo.
Yeah,
I love it!
But tall is not.
So wait, what is my...
I was saying I'm Grande. Nacho Bell Grande.
So wait, I'm Grande like the big girl?
No, you're
No,
Venti.
you're
You're
That's
the tall.
nice. That's
I'm the
nice.
Grande. I'm the Bell Grande over here. I'm the
Grande.
Nacho.
Okay, we're recording.
So these are my bloopers.
So if you've already watched Tiffany and Micah's videos, please check out some of my other videos here, and I hope you subscribe if you're new. Happy Valentine's Day, loves!